In this in-depth review, I'm going to walk you through a very short, quick review about this powerful AI website called Logome AI. So to get started, we're going to dive into the AI platform, and before we do that, let's check the meaning of this website. What is Logome AI? Logome AI is an AI logo generator that simplifies the logo design process instead of struggling with complex software or hiring a designer. Your answer is a few questions. What about your brand? Your Logome AI generates multiple logos files to choose from. Think of it as your personal AI design assistant, ready to craft a unique logo that fit your business. This website is for you. And here's the top benefit of this powerful website called Logome AI. So talking about the custom logo design in a minute, this AI can generate or create countless unique logos, concepts tailored to your brand identity, all within just a few clicks. And also an effortless AI logo design. These AI logo design tools eliminate the need for very complex design software. Let the logo creator do the heavy lifting and create logos that are both creative and professional. And also they experiment with a plethora of logo font styles, color schemes to discover the best match for your brand. And easy, very fast and easy to use, affordable pricing, which is super awesome. Now talking about the best features of this Logome AI, they have a different wide range of features. One of them is an AI powered logo generation with an intuitive interface to make it more easy and simple to use, an extension customization option which helps you have access to this with a different color and font layout and other elements to ensure your logo perfect match your brand's personality and your aesthetics. And also it comes with a high quality logo file, so you can have it in a PNG, your JPEG, SVG, and so on. The brand kit creation. Logome AI goes beyond logo creation. It can also help you develop a comprehensive brand kit that includes complementary color palette, font pairing, and social media template. And that's it. So if you want more about this website, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.